mathako team makiria ma atengeri ngiri igiri nio meyandikithitie kunyita itemi mahenya-ini matiganete mahenya ria Nakuru Marathon riria riratengerwo rucio kiroko gia tene ihenya iraihu ria kilomita 21 na muhotani agatugwo na ceki ya ciringi 500,000 mahenya maya mahaririirio ni bengi ya Stanbic unyitaniri-ini na thirikari ya county ya Nakuru.
Flag off at 7 a.m. That's the 21 kilometer. At 7:30, 8 o'clock, the 10 kilometer, and the 5 kilometer family fun run at 8:30. Now the route has been certified and approved by Athletics Kenya. Nancy is here. It's a new route. Marathon has not been happening in Nakuru, but now we have the marathon here.
Because when we look at what we're doing with the county of Nakuru, a lot of the work we've done is focused on, supporting the youth. How do we enable them become future ready? We have brought digital learning through our Future in Digital program. We have an accelerated program that we run through the foundation, and it's largely focused on how do we help youth get better. So why this marathon is that we see this as an opportunity for young athletes to come and make their mark.
So as far as the route is concerned and all other arrangements, it has been done so well, different from others. And we want to say this will be one of the best marathon ever.
Timu ya Kenya Sevens irekirie mathako ma mufira wa rugby ma Dubai Sevens ere namba 8 thutha wa kuhotwo ni timu ya Ireland